Honestly, I just wanted to do it, so I started. This was one of the last ethanol runs where the car still felt alive. Now you are in the driver's seat of my garage-built S4. This is what it really feels like. Boost noise, gear shifts, everything. From the outside it looks calm, but this thing is hiding a monster. Everyone keeps asking if this thing is even legal. Look inside, that's the whole point. The real madness is hidden. People see the pulse, but this is how I built it. No car lift, no fancy workshop, just me under the car, day and night. This place is where everything started. Here I worked on the engine, built it, fixed it and failed a lot. And started again. If you think a garage-built car has to feel sketchy at high speed, you are wrong. I touched almost every bolt on this car, but even at 260, it still tracks straight and feels planted. That's why I trust my build. Not perfect, but real. And now, one last clean pull. never imagined building a whole engine. Honestly, I just wanted to do it, so I started. Maybe it wasn't the smartest idea. I made many mistakes and every mistake taught me something. The next day I tried to do more pulls, but the car didn't feel right anymore. I tried to prepare one more proper run. So I tried the oldest trick, ignition off, ignition on. But this time it didn't fix the problem. The boost was spiking way too high. It sounded insane, but it wasn't running right anymore. This is not the end. It's just the point where the next chapter starts.